Next topic is the symmetry. Symmetry means systematic arrangement of the body parts. That means if any axis is moving like this, cutting the body, so paired organs are coming right and left, unpaired organs are coming on the axis. So systematically arrangement of body parts geometrically is called the symmetry. So if axis is moving from the body part, see here paired eyes, ears, they are coming right and left. Unpaired parts, nose, mouth is coming on the axis. Like arrangement of body parts geometrically is called the symmetry. Symmetry is three types: asymmetry, radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Asymmetry example sponges. That means here organism cannot be divided into two equal halves. Snail is also example. So because due to presence of shell, these two are not divided equally. If it is divided equally, then only we are calling symmetry. And each half is called the antimirror. So symmetry is mainly two types. So asymmetry, not unequal divided. If it is equally divided, then we are calling it is a symmetry. Symmetries are two types: radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry means uni-axis heteropolar. That means that axis can move any direction. It will divide the animal into two equal halves. Example, Cnidaria and Ctenophora. So if you see animal, if you cut it into any direction, due to presence of cylindrical nature, it will be divided into two equal halves. Generally, diploblastica animals like Cnidaria and Ctenophora. What is diploblastica? Two germinal, ecto and endo, two germinal layers are present. We are calling it is a diploblastica animals. And what is the advantage is these slow moving sessile means attached to any rock. Slow moving sessile organism, they are due to presence of cylindrical nature. These sensory organs will be present in all direction. So due to presence of all direction sensory organs, they can respond in all directions at a time. They can responding to the all directions at a time. But here exceptions are there. In Ctenophora, comb jellyfish, if you are considered, it is biradial. Bi means two, radial means dividing into two equal halves. Here it is comes under biradial, two directions only we can divide it into two equal halves. Similarly, starfish, if you consider, that is pentamerous radial symmetry, that is comes under pentamerous radial symmetry. Next symmetry is, so these are the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry other name is the uni-axis heteropolar symmetry. Uni-axis heteropolar symmetry. Diploblastica animals are comes under this one. So these are comes under the radial symmetry. Diploblastic animals are comes under these radial symmetry. And next, bilateral symmetry. Next one is the bilateral symmetry. So triploblastica animals. Triploblastica animals, they are comes under these bilateral symmetry. Example is the platyhelminthes. So what is difference here we observed is here diploblastica, here triploblastica. Two germinal layers, three germinal layers. Two, diplo means two germinal. Here triplo means three germinal. Any direction we can divide the organism into two antimirrors, two equal halves. But here sagittal plane only divide the organism into two equal halves. So here advantage is the sensory nerve is present in all direction. They are responding to all directions at a time. Here first here axis is cutting the head. So head is first exposed to the axis. Cephalization is takes place. What is cephalic? Cephalic means head. What is cephalic? Head. What the head is containing? Head is containing sense organs and nerve, brain. So development of nerve and sensory at the anterior part of the body. Anterior part of the body is called the cephalization. So what is cephalization? Development of sensory and nerve at the anterior part of the body is called the cephalization. So this is the second level of classification. So first key transition is the tissue. Second key transition we are called the bilateral symmetry. So symmetry is systematic arrangement of organs. Systematic arrangement of the organs. Paired organs coming either side, unpaired coming on the axis. So symmetry is asymmetry, symmetrical divisions. Asymmetry not divided equally. Symmetry is radial and bilateral. Radial means any direction you cut the organism, it is divided into two antimeres. Bilateral symmetry means only sagittal plane. That means anterior to the posterior. That only cut. Here oral to aboral they are cutting. Here anterior to posterior cutting, if you taken sagittal plane, then only it is divided into two equal halves. Asymmetry example sponges and snail, whereas radial symmetry example Cnidaria and Ctenophora. Bilateral symmetry example Platyhelminthes to Chordata. Exception radial. In radial, Ctenophora is comes under the biradial and starfish is comes under the pentamerous radial symmetry. And especially starfish at the larval stage it is bilateral, adult stage is the pentamerous radial symmetry is present. So like symmetry, based on symmetry from sponges to the chordata classification will be done. So this is one method to classify the animal kingdom.